Today's project is a Honda Fit. This is Boudreaux's vehicle. We're going to be doing oil change and a cabin filter change. First we'll replace the cabin filter. On most vehicles you just bend the tabs in on the glove box and that gives you access to the cabin filter right there. So on each side you've got little clips that you can pull in, and there's the cabin filter if I can get it. You can see this is the original, it's got Honda on it. So that's obviously been in there a while. It's actually coming apart as it comes out. Probably full of dust. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at all that stuff. Woo! I'd say this one's a little overdue. God. Jeez. If you park your car under a tree, there's no doubt this is going to get into your filter system. The problem is now you can see the fan cage in there and there's still some pieces in there. I'm going to hope to get the vacuum to pull those pieces out, but otherwise it's going to drive you batty if you don't get that cleaned out and it starts getting thrown around by that fan. Here, pal, I'm going to put this in a little plastic bag for you. This is probably from California or from Texas. Some animal probably was eating nuts on your vehicle and it went yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Here you can see what gets caught in these filters, and actually it looks like there's some filter or insulating medium that's getting caught in this filter from somewhere else upstream. But these chunks, probably some critter was eating nuts on the hood of this vehicle and dropped them down where the air intake is located. To get to the oil change process, you got to take off this valence shield. There's some screwed in push pins. There's a big one back there that actually had to be held in place by a zip tie because it broke. Valence panel is removed. Actually, there were screws that held it in, not push pins. My mistake. Tiny little oil filter, tiny little sump. 3.5 quarts. The smallest I've ever heard of. I think lawnmowers take more.